Hi, this is Jewel from Caster Concepts. First of all, I want to thank you for your order. And now I'm going to tell you the process that the order goes through once we receive it. So once we receive a purchase order, it goes to our customer service department. Customer service will review the quote versus the purchase order, and then they will enter it into our system. Once it's entered into the system, if it's a standard part or an existing special, then we will process the order and send it to production. Production then has the ability to see the order and start working on it immediately. Purchasing gets suggestions to start buying pieces and parts that we need to put your caster together. If the caster is custom and we haven't made it before, then it goes to our engineering department. Engineering and design will work on it. We have a first and a second shift, so we can typically turn those around to production in 24 hours. Once it's off to production, same process. Off to machining, off to reaction to be poured, and purchasing to buy the parts. Then we can assemble the caster and ship it out to you. And that is the process for what happens after we receive your order. Thank you for watching.